What's good, my tech friends? This is Untitled. So today is all about this phone that's boxed up. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you a little bit of a side story on that. Obviously, Samsung Galaxy S series. I have the pretty much the latest ones here in my hand. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and of course the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So yeah, Samsung actually make budget lineup, budget range of these smartphones. Obviously, you got the Samsung Galaxy S series, but then they have the Samsung Galaxy A series. But yeah, this is the latest kind of flagship, kind of budget flagship lineup, which is the Samsung Galaxy A72. So they got the A72, and they got the A52 and the A52 5G, which is going to be coming out on the 21st of this month, I believe. And yeah, but I managed to pick this bad boy up, and yeah, let's unbox it and see what's in the box. I've never really been a fan of the A series because obviously they're more of the budget range from Samsung, and you know, I'm not all about the budget range. I'm all about the high specification devices to see what Samsung really has to offer. That's why I go with the Samsung Galaxy S series, which is just absolutely awesome. You can never go wrong. But obviously, Samsung do have a market for people that can't obviously afford the big boys, which is the S series, which is why they make the A series, which is very, very good from Samsung because people can actually enjoy their devices without having to spend a lot of money just to enjoy and have the privilege to enjoy the device from Samsung. And yeah, this you can pick it. I picked it up for £419, and in the US it's probably going to be around 500 and something dollars. But yeah, it's a very, very cheap phone, but packing in a lot of features that you'd perhaps get with the S series, in the A series, which is just absolutely awesome. And yeah, just looking around the box, the box is simple. All we have is just a picture up front of obviously the phone, and on the side here we have the logo, which is the logo and the name of the device, which is Galaxy A72. And then at the bottom here we just have like the iEman number and obviously the color, the model number, the make, all that stuff. But yeah, this is the blue one, if you haven't realized yet. It's called the Awesome Blue, and this is the 128 gigabyte version of the device, and this is not the 5G version. I thought I got the 5G version, but I mean, they're basically going to be both the same phone, but 5G capable. So let's crack this box open. Wow. First impressions, very good. It's very nice. Just look at that. Absolutely awesome. Look at that. We have the SIM ejector too, which is just back there. As you can see right there. And then inside of this box we have the the quick start guide and your warranty card if you want to do any warranty work or anything like that. You have the options to do that. And yeah, that's pretty much what's in here. So I'm a little bit skeptical because Samsung actually has stopped shipping out charging bricks and earphones and yeah, just both of them. So oh wow. Okay, the phone looks very, very different. Very, very different. Not the way I thought the color would look. Is wow. Okay. Get to that in just a minute. But inside the box here we have, of course, they've kept it nice and simple. We have the USB-C to USB-C male connection cable for obviously to charge up the device and put it into the charging brick to charge it into the wall. It's right there. It's just standard. It's in white. Nothing really special about that. And then we have charging brick, which I don't know. Okay, how you supposed to take? Guess that's how you take it out. Oh, okay. Oh wow, they've put in a lot of effort with the design of this box. Then of course you got this charging brick in white. Nothing really special about that. It's just a white charging brick, and obviously you got that little movement over there that goes up for you to plug it in. Basically, it's just it's just kind of compact, so you can kind of travel with it without having this bit sticking up. You just push it in, and that's it, ready to go. This is obviously super fast charging as well, so you can charge your phone up in pretty much no time. And this morning I put my phone from my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra was on, I think 10%, no 8%, put it on charge for about 10 minutes, and I got up to, no, actually not 10 minutes, I put it on charge for like, I think like 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and I got 83% just in that amount of time. So yeah, this is pretty much going to be the same thing as well, to charge the phone up in no time. But yeah, now we get to the main event, which is the actual device. Let's peel off the wrapper. Oof! Wow. Oh. Well, what can I say? You can tell this is a budget-friendly device from Samsung, because it it feels very cheap. I mean, the back of it is plastic, but the color on it is just absolutely stunning. I'll give that to them. The back of it is absolutely stunning, which is just absolutely amazing. So going around the device, on the top we have, obviously, we have the, wait, is it the same with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra? No, it's not. Okay. Oh, it's same design for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra actually. So at the top we have the SIM tray, and it looks like the tray doesn't actually has the place that you put the pin in. It's actually on the actual frame of the device, as you can see over there. So it's pretty much the same design as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, with the SIM injector at the top. And then on the side, pretty much the same thing from Samsung. You got the volume up and down. You have the lock button, and obviously, or the button to turn the device off or on. And then at the bottom is where it gets a little bit interesting, because the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the S21 Ultra has, they don't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, but the A72 actually does. So if you can look at that, it's slightly a bit different. You have the speaker grills at the bottom there. Then you have the female charging port for the phones, and on this side of the A72 you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, and over here for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra we just have a mic built in there, which is cool. And for the A72 it's pretty nice, because obviously we get the usability of the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is very, very nice. So we can quickly just put the earphones in there and just start listening in literally no time. But just want to go through the back of the device as well, and this color is just absolutely awesome. The only thing I don't like about this device though is the back. The back is actually made out of plastic, and if you press it, it kind of just digs in, kind of. You can tell it's plastic. Again, it's not a big fingerprint magnet. Obviously in the front you're going to get a lot of fingerprints, but at the back it's not too bad, because the back isn't as glossy as the S21 as the S20 Ultra. You don't tend to see the fingerprints that much. So it's just like, if depending on the lighting, the way you point the phone, you can see the fingerprints, but looking at the phone, it doesn't look, there's no fingerprints at all. And again, the phone is just absolutely light, as light as anything. Same size as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, coming out as 6.7-inch display. Obviously it's a Super AMOLED display as well, with full HD capabilities, and the max resolution of the device is 1080p. I mean, it's not very exciting, but 1080p screen is still pretty good to this day and age. It's just absolutely sharp, and it just looks absolutely amazing. And of course it's got a 90Hz refresh rate as well, which is just absolutely awesome. And like I said, the back is plastic, so none of the posh, you know, nice luxury feel to the back. It's actually plastic. And then yeah, 5,000 milliamp hour battery on this bad boy, and obviously 25 watts fast charging as well, so you can charge this device relatively very quickly. And then it's got an IP67 water resistant rating as well, and it's got Android 11 built in, which is just absolutely awesome. And then for the camera at the back, I mean, the camera bump isn't as noticeable as the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but it is there. It's definitely there. So the top one is the wide angle lens at 12 megapixel. The middle lens is the main camera, which is 64 megapixel, and the bottom one is the telephoto lens, which is 5 megapixel lens. And then obviously this small little one on the side there, that is actually a macro lens. So this phone actually has a individual camera, a macro lens, which is just absolutely awesome. So you can zoom right in and, you know, capture something very small. Such a wide device, but then you look at the screen to body ratio and it's just absolutely terrible. You can see there's a lot of chin, a lot of forehead, a lot of space around the phone, which is just not that good. Looking at the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and looking at this as well, you can see the screen to body ratio is a lot more effective on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. It just looks more luxury and more improvised, very nice. But then £419 you're going to be paying for this device. I mean, you can't really complain that much, because that's a very low and cheap price from obviously Samsung, which is just absolutely awesome. But yeah, that's pretty much been the unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy A72. I mean, for a budget lineup, it's not a bad looking phone at all. It's not a bad looking phone at all. I mean, apart from the back being plastic, the camera looks okay, and then yeah, the screen, the screen to screen ratio, not really my taste. Apart from that, the phone looks nice. The color is great. Love the fact it's still got the 3.5mm headphone jack. But yeah, that's pretty much all I can say. But yeah, it was nice. It was a nice experience unboxing this. Obviously, you can get this in red as well, and white and black, different other colors, but I chose the blue one because why not? But yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash the like button, also subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.